Yo, 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 you got CPI in about 30 seconds. I'm longing on GU. If you want to find out why did I long it, wait until the end of the video and I'm gonna explain it to you. If you have a tickle of mine, just wait a couple seconds. The CPI is about to go through. We have the position right here, risking about $150 on this account that's about to be blown. So don't really care, don't really give a fuck. Let's see what CPI gives us. If it's bearish portable dollar, of course, of course, of course. Does this, man? Alright, okay, okay. Come on. It's not gonna be strong. Think TP here would be reasonable. It's weak for CPI, it's weak. It's very weak. No, it's very weak. It's very weak. It is very weak. It might be good for shorts as well. Yeah, nothing surprising, everything's like forecasted. Nothing surprising. My major reason for this was to cut liquidity below. Now we're expecting to take liquidity higher. The XY major equal highs that just got taken. Again, as you can see, one liquidity to another, leaving this equal highs. Just took them, and now we gotta give some movement after that. So that's the whole reason behind it. AU didn't look as good because of this zone right here, but it's moving higher as well. So yeah, I mean, maybe I'll just move stops to this high maybe. You can see, I mean, it's going down now. Maybe I'll put stop loss right here. Not much reason to go below unless it becomes invalid. And yeah, the stop loss was quite big because like the structure didn't allow me too much to place myself here. Maybe I could here, but like it's New York trap timing, so I'm not trading in this kind of pink box, you could say. This is usually trap. But yeah, man, nothing crazy for this news. But I knew it was gonna go up just because of the reaction of CPI and everything. So yeah, it might be a slight loss. Nothing crazy. It just took out, yeah, it just took out this inducement right here and retested this, but we could go for Asia highs or even this whole thing. Have we been? No, we're not tagged out yet, because we also got, alright, this took liquidity, yes, but you also have this beautiful trend line to target. Alright, got efficiency with the price way higher. So yeah, price should have went there, but it was kind of weak for CPI news. Just a move out between weeks and it's being kind of neutral. So not much else to it. I'm gonna pause the video and let's see where we are later. Okay guys, I called up my boys in JP Morgan. I told them to sell a fuck ton of USD, and right now it looks like we're pumping. And yeah boys, this is what you get once you understand liquidity. Like, what you think the SMC trader were doing? They were probably seeing this if they were to gamble, and they were short here. Most definitely. Look what that got them. So yeah, I'm moving my stops to break even. The target's here, just cause let's get this over done, right? 40 pips. the move is already a bit weak. If we talking about the 15 minutes, it's still weak for CPI because it's the result of the data is the same for 4 months in a row, but it still remains remains the concern of inflation. So yeah, the XY, as I said I would do, because price can't simply move like this. All right, price can't simply go like this. Okay, this is the bullshit SMC traders would like to trade, because they would buy on this order block, buy, but then you get something like this. It's gonna take liquidity somewhere and then go higher. That's really how price moves. If you want to find out more about it, you can check the rest of my channel and you can see. So the XY going under, because the XY is the dollar index. The other pairs which are against the dollar will go up. Okay, looks like we're about to TP. Again, I only trade news with smaller capital. Like on this, I'm even risking an account I don't even care about, but smaller capital, and it's only when I'm 100% sure of movement, thanks to liquidity. It's mainly on start of New York or in London session, start of the day, you'll get the liquidity taken, get the sweep, and you'll know the direction that the major news will go. That's the same for NFP, that's the same for basically everything. Alright, depending on the move. Sometimes it might be some days earlier, but price needs liquidity to do these kinds of moves. So that's why you always see liquidity get taken before. Again, let's see if we hit this. If it doesn't play around, it should give a bit of a reaction, but just take everybody out on this bitch. It's also Asia high, so I'm fucking about that much. The risk reward isn't that sexy. Like I could do like 5-10 on these, but like the CPI move was weak. I cannot catch the trade here, and yeah, right now it's a bit of playing around. I don't really want to hold that much. And how much is it? For $228. Like, who gives a fuck? Fucking got this bitch is playing around. Just doing what I said. Building more liquidity up. It's not impossible that I get tagged out on stop loss and then go to my take profit. But I just want to end this video. Well, yeah, I don't care about this. And that's how you should be, really. Not just because the account's about to get blown, but because that's how you gotta approach trading. You gotta be nonchalant. You gotta don't give a fuck about the money. But you do need to build good habits. I'm saying this while gambling, but bros, the vision was correct. Come on. Okay. It's done. It's done, and it's about $170 or so. Yeah. Cheers, boys. Hope you like this. That's the trade done. Another news trade live called out, but this time it was just a week. But I hope you still enjoyed it, and the value was given as always. Peace and take care.